Today I was giving a bit of a practitioner's update and a bit of a adoption review of remote sensing technology across the forestry sector, and looking at the benefits that we've seen over the last decade really of the Forest Growers Research panel conducting workshops, knowledge transfers through to the industry, and subsequently seeing that technology being adopted. Yeah, so I guess I split the talk into two of the recent technologies that have been implemented, that being LiDAR, which is an active remote sensing tool flown above our forests. And from an industry perspective, it's a significant change in resourcing in terms of the amount of effort it takes to capture very precise and detailed resource descriptions of our forests, while also capturing detailed terrain models for better environmental management and better harvest planning and so on. And from an industry perspective, we've seen predominantly all the industry players pick up that technology over the last 5 years, to the extent where a very large proportion of the forest estates have now been covered in LiDAR. The other part of the discussion was around UAVs, or drones, as most people know them, and looking at the advantages that we can see in terms of the adoption of drones across the industry. And I guess we've got an opportunity to think of drones just as a camera on a pole for our already field experts, and that is that we've already got trained foresters, forest engineers and planners, etc., that visit the field, and we're really giving them another tool to visualise the forest in front of them and make better management decisions. And I think there's a real benefit in what drones at that smaller scale can provide. Going forward, we've also got the exciting space as drones increase the opportunity to carry better sensors, conduct spraying operations, etc., more larger, wide-scale remote sensing and things. So, yeah, seeing good adoption and lots of potential for increasing the productivity of our staffing and the way that we measure our forests.